خلينا نصعد. اركض اركض. I just discovered something. There's a bug. Oh shit. We're on our way to Samarra right now. I'm gonna be there in like an hour and a half right now. It's a long trip. It's a longer drive, but we'll be there. It's safe. You know, security is tight. I'm with my cousin Haidar. He's helping me out. The road to Samarra is beautiful. You know, it's pretty nice. All right, we made it finally. So we're gonna go all the way up there, and I'm kind of scared, kind of nervous. This is like really old. It's not even that hot outside. It is sunny though. Should have brought my shades. Pretty tall. Look at those kids up there. See them? YouTube. YouTube. Okay, we're not allowed to go in there. That's a picture from the top. That's the whole thing right there. Okay, these words are in Arabic. I can't really read it. Don't know how to read Arabic, so just talks about the history. Okay, so apparently the height is like 10 meters tall. So there's 21 doors here, which is crazy. Look, I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Wow. This is amazing. I'm touching this historical site right here, this historical building. So there's 480 pillars of these all around the building, which is crazy. See? Wow. So we're gonna go down there, down these steps, and then we're gonna go up this ramp right here, and then oh look, there's people there. There they are. I'm going down. That's pretty high. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We're going all the way up there. All the way. So basically there's no railing or anything here. So you could fall. So it's dangerous. It's just like 2.5 meters. Okay, so there's a rail on this side. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so there's a railing on this side, but there isn't on that side, which is pretty weird. I don't know why. But well, let's go. Come on, let's go. It's pretty scary. I'm scared. We're getting higher. Yeah, we're still not high enough yet. Let's keep going. Yeah, we're pretty much at the same level as those walls right now. Oh, those are the guys that we just met down there. Bye. Hello.
Welcome to Samarra.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Okay, right now I'm holding on to the railing really tight, but my cousin right there, he's not even holding on to anything. He doesn't care. He's not even scared. It's pretty windy right now. I'm pretty sure it's like 4,000 years old, something like that. I'm not sure. All right, finally we made it. Yeah, look. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna go up there. Let's go. It was a long way up here. So it's pretty tiring. All right, we're gonna go up now and Bismillah. Oof. Wow. Oh, cold. Wow. This is crazy, you guys. It's my first time here and I'm amazed. Finally, we're up here. Wow. Yeah, we came up from here. See that? I don't know what this is, but خلينا نقعد هنا أنا خاف الهواء يدفعني. Alright, I sat down because the wind is too strong. I'm afraid it might push me over the edge, so I don't want to get closer. So if you guys pay attention, let me get closer to the edge just a little bit. So over there, yeah, right there, there's used to be a building there, and all these you see right there, broken stones and everything, there used to be buildings there. This is yeah, my cousin just said this is the Burj Khalifa of Iraq right here. This is it. Haydar, you're not scared?
Yeah.
You scared? He's just chilling there. Like, look at him.
Not so
People just. تبارك تبارك. All right, we're done here. Let's go down. Okay, dug down a little. All right, let's go. All right, there we go. Wow. I'm going down. Okay, going down is actually pretty easy. Ooh. Ooh. It's very tiring. Ooh. There's an opening here in the middle. I think we're gonna go down there just to check it out. Oh, wow. Okay. Go ahead. Come on. Okay. Okay. I'm scared. Bismillah. Okay. Finally! Hello! It's not echoey here. Wow. I just discovered something. There's a guard here. See that? There's a guard here. He's been standing here for 2,000 years. Alright, we're done. We're leaving now. We're very hungry right now. We woke up at 5 o'clock in the morning. We came here at like 7 o'clock, 7:30, and we haven't ate not a single thing. Just water and that's it. And right now it's 10 o'clock and we're really hungry. It's really hot outside. I mean, look at me. I'm sweating. Alright guys, we're going back to Baghdad. It's a long way, 2 hours drive. Okay, Dave, this way. It's really hot outside. They got to have air conditioning here. I'm gonna try the pickles. I'm gonna try this one. Good. Just to let you guys know, this is what the toilets look like here in Iraq. you pee on the ground.
What?
Oh wow. Hello.
And kebab.
So there's kebab and I think this is liver. How do you eat it? Let's see. Yeah. Basal. Onions. Tomatoes. Showing us how we're gonna eat this. Yeah, and then? Wow, good. first put the kebab, tomatoes, then onions. I love onions, so I'm gonna put like 2 onions, and then you wrap it. Voila. Sometimes what I like to do actually is I like to put lemon on top, a little bit. There we go. Now bismillah. Okay, this guy brought us tea, chai. It's pretty hot right now. Iraq is really hot and they drink hot chai. That's the way they do it. I forgot to show you guys that they have fish here just in the front of their door. Live fish. يا الله حار. سمعيني رحنا زرنا كملنا ورحنا صعدنا الملوية ها والله وهسه ستور طلعنا بمطعم ونحن نجيك نروح لبغداد خلصنا احنا ان شاء الله ان شاء الله ان شاء الله يلا باي اوكي خلينا ناخذ شو ناخذ عنب قالت؟
لا تخابرني ولا شو؟
يلا خلينا نخابرها
ليش كذا كثير؟
هاي بس عنب بس عنب.
شو نجيب لك شو؟
It's just a little stand. It's just like that one over there. Oh, that one over there. It's right there. It's the same thing. It's just a little stand.
لا هيجي ده خلص والله سكين.
اطلع اشوفك. So right now we're going to Baghdad, and the road to Baghdad, from Samarra to Baghdad, or Baghdad to Samarra, is pretty safe. This whole area used to be full of ISIS, but now the government has taken over, and the security is pretty tight, and it's pretty safe. I feel safe now.
شو اسمه؟ يغرق
على شيء على القماص تكتك
واحد انت همنا يلا هاي هي شكرا شباب حبيبي شكرا مع السلامة شكرا حبيبي باي. Okay, we're just visiting another shrine right now. Ibrahim, I think it's his name. Yeah. Bin Malik al-Ashtar. This is it. We go inside and pray. Alright, here's where we take off our shoe. Everybody took off their shoe. Take mine off and just put it on the side so I know where it is. Right there. People are just lying down, resting, sleeping. Oh, electricity is here.